Hello everyone, welcome. Now I use many things on my skin, but I have some favorite. I have some favorite that actually get the job done by decreasing my wrinkles and fine lines, by boosting the collagen production in my skin, by giving my skin a natural glow, a radiant glow, and also a younger, fresher looking skin. Now this ingredient is a very popular ingredient known for its antioxidant properties, known for tightening and firming the skin and smoothing the wrinkles and fine lines. It's none other than green tea. However, guys, I'm going to show you a unique way in which I personally use green tea on my skin that gives me this amazing result. So let's get in the kitchen and I'll share my recipe with you really quick. So today I'm going to show you how to use green tea on your skin. Now green tea is amazing for the skin. It helps to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. It also helps to smooth the skin, hydrates the skin, and green tea will leave the skin looking clean and fresh. I'm going to be using a tea bag. However, if you have loose leaf, go ahead and use it. Just blend the loose leaf, and we're using about a teaspoon of the green tea, which is the amount that is in a tea bag. So I'm going to pour my green tea in my bowl, and what I'm going to do next, I'm going to get some hot water, and I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon of the hot water on the green tea. What we're actually doing is brewing the green tea, and we're making this very strong, so you really do not need more than a tablespoon of hot water on 1 teaspoon of green tea. And you're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes to brew. Now while we are letting the green tea brew, we're going to introduce the next ingredient, which is honey. Hydrating for the skin, lock the moisture in the skin, plump the skin, and have the skin looking radiant. We're only using half of a teaspoon of the honey in this mixture, and we're pouring this in. And we're pouring it while it is hot, so we're going to mix it in and let it totally dissolve in the green tea mixture. So just blend the green tea well. A good substitute for the green tea is black tea or some chamomile tea. Next ingredient is some aloe vera gel. You can use either store-bought or you can use fresh aloe vera gel in this recipe. And we're also only using a half a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. Pouring this in and mixing it in. So we have green tea, we have honey, and we have aloe vera gel, and we're just blending well. And now we're going to sit this aside for another 2 minutes or so. Now while this is brewing nicely, let's reach for our other ingredient. Now take a look at our next ingredient. Here we have some plain unsweetened yogurt. Now yogurt moisturizes the skin. If your skin needs a boost of moisture, you can try using a yogurt face mask to rejuvenate your skin. It helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boost the collagen production, fight acne. It also helps to fade spots and hyperpigmentation on the skin, reduce dark circles. It also helps to smooth sunburn. Just an amazing ingredient for your skin. Now once our green tea, honey, and aloe vera gel is really cooled, you want to make sure that it's cooled before you add the yogurt. I'm going to use just 1 tablespoon of the yogurt and add it to the green tea mixture. And then we are going to blend all the ingredients together. Slowly blend the yogurt, green tea, honey, and aloe vera together, and take a look at this. This is coming nicely. Blend well. Really thick and nice anti-aging facial mask. If you do not have yogurt, you could use some curd in this recipe. You can even choose to use some powdered milk in this recipe. or even some milk, but it's not going to be as thick if you use the milk. Now once this is done, guys, our anti-aging all natural facial mask is ready to use on your skin. To use this mask can be stored in your refrigerator for about 5 days. To use this mask on your skin, you take a little, you apply it to your skin, rub it on your skin like I'm showing here. Rub it all over your face, your neck, and your décolleté, and leave it on for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to rinse off. This can be used 2 to 3 times per week for best result. Once you use this on a regular, you're on your way to amazing, younger, fresher looking skin. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, leave your comments, use it, come back and leave another comment. And if this was the first time watching and you like to see these amazing anti-aging facial masks and serums and remedies, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also guys, in this channel we have membership, so if you want to be even more than just a subscriber, you want to have a say in what goes on the channel, you want to get private chat, you want to also have an emoji when you go on chat so your name is highlighted, click on the join button below and choose a tier. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.